Hey, it's Heather with WTI. Hot sleepers, you're gonna wanna hear this. This summer with these wicked hot temperatures, something saved me, and I'm not being dramatic. It is Calla Angel. They make a lightweight luxury blanket. It's percale cotton, the cotton that my grandma always swore would last forever, and she's not wrong. Beautiful quilted pattern in a traditional texture. And if you're a fan of texture, multiple textures, especially like I am, you're gonna love this. The best thing about it is that it's amazing to give you a little bit of warmth, but not too much. It's not too thin. I like a little pressure when I sleep, so just the right nice weight without making you too hot. And it's this matelassé pattern. Oh my goodness. And check out the detail. This stitching is fantastic. The floral patterns mixed with the geometric shapes make this an exquisite texture on your bed. If you have it at the foot of the bed like I have here, it really adds a nice layer that you can just pull up over you, but also just by itself. It's very comfortable. My husband, he was very comfortable under this, and this is a guy who's usually cold. I would say it's the best of both worlds. I'm looking forward to passing this on to a family member eventually as a heritage item. If you like cotton, you're really gonna want this, but if you're a hot sleeper, you'll need it. And that's my point of view.